So thank you. It would be lovely to hear how different and challenging it was, and different from the way you're used to working together. It was for Shah Rukh and Kajol to work together after some time and on a more serious movie. But my big question that has already been tackled, Karan's first answer actually sort of started tackling it, is by using not one but two really big topics and making a movie that is more global. Don't you feel that the beautiful candor that characterizes Bollywood cinema and makes it open-heartedly touch the very fiber of any human being, and so it's very universal already, by making this movie more global, exposing it to the world, don't you feel that it would lose some of its candor? I say that also in light of the fact that Shah Rukh often says that he's not necessarily interested in going to Hollywood or widening an audience that is already huge and very dedicated. So that would be the question.
Oh, we got confused now.
Yeah, I'm fully confused now.
It's because I have so much things to say. All right.
I guess how different it was to work on these kind of and a more serious film than we've done before. And by trying to be, you understand English?
Thank you.
Totally got that. No, Kajol and me and Karan, we are very old friends. Let me just answer that because everyone asks us how many years since we worked together. But genuinely, Karan does the hard work. Shibani Bhatija has written it. He works it out. Kajol is a natural, instinctive actress. I am hardworking and wanting to please everyone. But besides all that we do in our workspace, I think what we do is really enjoy working together, just being together. I mean, we really have a great time. So when you ask how different it was, yes, it's like when 2 or 3 or 5, 6 friends get together and they say, okay, let's jam, into music.
But weren't you impersonating the character with Asperger continually for some time during the movie?
Yeah, to be
he was beginning to look like Rizwan, even offsets.
My eyes, I used to put them up, and my eyes used to be like that all the time. And it took me till about December after the film finished to get out of it. I'll be very honest, yeah. I mean, it was a little difficult. Even Kajol, many times, you were sitting and having lunch, and she'll say, Shah Rukh, come on now, don't behave like this. So I became a little, it's a character that gets on to you after some time, and I hope it gets on to the audience. But doing it together, I think I would say, this whole process of filming My Name is Khan for Rizwan, for Mandira, for Karan and everyone, and Shibani and everyone who's involved in this film has been very organic. Because we've gone into so many unknown territories as Indian filmmakers. Me as an actor, she as an actress, he as a director, writer. There's so many things that we didn't know. So we just decided, let's have fun. And however serious the film is, however serious the issue is, let's not let that override the process of filmmaking, which has been wonderful because of Karan and Dharma Production for Kajol and me since we started from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. So we really didn't do anything different. As far as the second part of your question is concerned, Western cinema, because Karan understands better English than me, he'll answer that.
Actually, the endeavor was not to make essentially a global film. It was really to talk about an emotion we all feel. And emotions are never geographic. They're just felt. I think the film speaks about humanity. And humanity could be humanity anywhere in the world. And we wanted to address it via an issue which I felt needed to be addressed in a certain place because that was what exposed a certain amount of unawareness from. And I felt that the problem that we were talking about was also the problem within our own country. It's just that I needed to address it on a larger level because the problem is large today. It's rampant, it's real, and it expands across the globe. So when I took the issue, if I kept it very internal, it would dilute the impact of it. I needed to put it up on a large scale and address many things. And I chose the protagonist, Rizwan, to go through the beats of this journey to convey this message subliminally. And I think we have tried to do that. So there was no endeavor to remove the candor, put it up on a global level, aspire for new territories. That was not our desire. Desire was to connect to audiences within our country, out of our country, and tell the world that India takes a stand on humanity through their film. So please buy into it and endorse it because it is an essential element to endorse.
The gentleman with the glasses. Hi, Shahrukh. I work for Deutsche Welle Hindi service, so I hope you all don't mind if I ask a question in Hindi and expect
No,
a reply in Hindi.
please keep it in English because otherwise nobody can follow. Is it okay? Thank you.
I just wanted to know that it's 17 or 18 years that since you came to Indian film industry, and you started in 1990, and you didn't come from a family who had a big name in Indian cinema, and now it's 18 years. You are the biggest Indian star in Germany and I mean in UK, US, everywhere. So how does it feel? Do you ever look back and see, okay, I was a simple guy and now I have come
He was
here.
never a simple guy, let me put it that way.
No, he was never a simple
He was never simple.
No.
I think he was born complicated.
Yes. What I wanted to say that he was not that into limelight, but now he is the biggest star. So how do you see the transformation? Thank you.
Personally, I don't find any transformation. I think I have a bigger house, a bigger car, and better clothes. But these things have never been I'm thankful to God. I'm thankful to everyone, my directors, my producers, for having given me this opportunity to live a life which is wonderful. I would rather, I cannot be anything else but what I am. I'm very thankful to this life. I'm thankful for the fact my kids live well, they eat well, my sister's good, my wife's wonderful. So I can't be more grateful. But beyond that, I am still a very simple person. I just get up in the morning and I think that every time I have done a shoot or a shot which makes me feel spiritually and just very happy with what I've done, it happens. I call it magic. It happens sometimes. It doesn't happen every day. And I do it, then I go back home, go to sleep, and get up early in the morning to repeat it. And then there are days I don't get the magic. I go back home, I go to sleep, want to wake up early in the morning and work hard to be able to get it. So all I do is genuinely, I don't want to sound cliched, but I enjoy just waking up in the morning and getting that shot right. There is nothing else that matters to me. It has been an absolutely, I'm untouched by the peripherals. I'm really happy when I'm treated well. I know there are a lot of people who like me. I always believe maybe I don't even deserve it. I've got much more than I deserve. But now this is it. This is how life is, and I'm very thankful. And I've never, I don't work for prosperity, and I don't work for posterity. I only work because I love the work. There has never been any change in me. I think these are my old friends for 17, 18 years now. They would tell you the same. I don't know, there's some strange thing in my genes. I just keep getting better looking every year. I can't control it. It just keeps going. Oh God!
And his second name is modesty.
Yeah, and soon I look like Brad Pitt and Tom Cruise. I just need to. But beyond that, I have no other problem.
The lady here in blue. Okay.
Okay. Nupur Tiwari from NDTV. This question is actually to the three of you. You've been talking about how lovely it is for you guys to be here in Germany and, all the welcoming and the fans and so on. What do you have to say about all the people back home who've gone against everything that may have gone wrong, people who've said things to Shah Rukh and tried to sort of prevent a happy opening of your film? What do you have to say about the fans who actually came very overwhelmingly in your support and went out and bought out all the tickets and the cinemas were house full? What do you have to say about them? And also it's been quite a stressful period for all of you. Even yesterday Shah Rukh was twittering till 2 o'clock in the morning. Have things gotten better now? Or
Telling when I don't have sex, I Twitter.
I didn't say that, you said it.
I'm telling you.
Okay. Point noted. But otherwise, tomorrow, what are you still going to be on Twitter?
No, tomorrow I'm getting sex.
You said you're willing to sit down and talk and so on. So, two things. Firstly, about the fans. They've really come out in your support, overwhelmingly. Something for them. And
I'll tell you, I
you
understand where you're going and where you're coming from. And God bless you for being here. But I'd like to say this. One, it's not for us. My name is Khan Team. And for me personally, this is not a situation which is